Welcome back to the Africell Tips and Tricks. Accessibility features on mobile devices can greatly enhance usability for people with various disabilities. So, let's explore some tips and tricks. For better readability, adjust text size, boldness, contrast, and transparency. You can also use the magnification features to zoom in parts of your screen for a better visibility. Have text read aloud by selecting items on your screen. You can enable voiceover to hear spoken descriptions of whatever is on your screen. Voice command is useful to control your device hands-free. For iOS, use Siri for commands like opening apps, and for Android, use Google Assistant by saying, "Hey Google." Access a large on-screen menu for common actions like taking screenshots or locking your screen, and set up shortcuts with the most used accessibility features for quick access. Now, to create a more user-friendly experience tailored to individual needs, be sure to use these tips and tricks for a better accessibility to your mobile. See you in the next episode.